Hello friends, welcome back to this video channel. My name is Sujit Kumar. I am working as Assistant Professor in Automation and Robotics Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn the robot basics. This is regarding my profile. I am working as Assistant Professor in Automation and Robotics Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering and Autonomous Institute. So first we will discuss regarding automation. The dictionary definition of automation is as the technique of making an apparatus or process or a system operate automatically. If you take any example, for example mobile phone, for example laptop, for example any electronic devices, so its operation, its manufacturing nowadays it is doing automatically with the help of robots. So automation is one of the technique where we are using many apparatus and that process where that object can be manufactured in shorter time. So that is related with automation. Automation can also be defined in other way like it is a technology that is concerned with use of mechanical, electronic and computer based system in operation and control of production. So, we define automation as the creation and application of technology to monitor and control the production and delivery of products and services. These are the different definitions of automation. These are the different diagrams which are shown here. In the first picture, the automobile is being manufactured with the help of robots. So you can see that there is a one conveyor belt where that automobile chassis or frame is kept and the robot is doing automation there. Second picture shows the assembly of applications with the help of automation. It shows the electronic devices and the robot is doing assembly of that electronic devices. The third picture shows the application of robots in automation where the robot is doing packaging and unpackaging. What is robotics? That question might be there in your mind. So robotics is the art, knowledge and know-how of designing, applying and using robots in human endeavor. So robotics is nowadays you will see everywhere. Robotics is an interdisciplinary subject that benefits from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, computer science engineering, biology and many other applications because it is a blend of many branches like mechanical, electrical, electronics and computer science. What is a robot? So here one robot is shown. As per the definition, a robot, Random House Dictionary definition, a robot is a machine that resembles a human being and does mechanical routine tasks on command. Whenever we will give a task or command, it will give that particular task. Robot, as per Robotic Association of America, a robot can be classified or defined as an industrial robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move materials, parts, tools, or specialized device through variable programmed motion for the performance of varieties of tasks. If you break down this definition in 3 to 4 parts, first one, it is a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator. Robot is a reprogrammable, means you can use robots for many applications. That's why it must be a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator, as the manipulator is the end part of the robot that we obtain work from the manipulator. So it's a multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools or specialized devices. Means that manipulator from where we obtain work, it is designed to move material, parts, tools or specialized devices through variable programmed motion for the performance of varieties of tasks. The robot control loop. So this is the robot control loop which is shown in the picture. First, sense, think and act. Different sensors are fitted to the robot which senses speech or voice, vision, acceleration, temperature, position, distance, touch, force, magnetic field, light, sound, etc. These are the different sensors which are fitted to the robots, and by sensing that data is given to the computer. So second part is the think, where task planning, plan classification, learning, processing, path planning, motion planning, these are controlled with the help of computer. And after that, act, that is output information in the form of move, speech text, visual wheels legs, arm tracks, etc. So this is the control loop. After acting, again that data is given to the sensors. Sensor senses, again it is given to the thing, and in this way it is controlled. The robot is controlled. This is the robot control loop. Now we will come to the applications of robots. So the first application of robot is in the mechanical engineering application, where that robot is performing a task. Second picture shows that a robot is doing internal grinding. The third picture shows that robot is doing assembly work. This assembly work generally we do in that is a automobile line work. This picture is very interesting. A fourth picture where that man is interacting with the robot. He may ask some question to the robot, and with the help of artificial intelligence, robot can answer the question. Few more application of robot. Here one robot, that is manipulator, is shown, which is doing assembly part of the electronics. Next, robot plays a crucial part in the agriculture industry. In agriculture industry, that is supply of water to the crops, then different applications robots can perform. This application is very important. A robot is doing surgery nowadays. You can find any hospital which is equipped with robots. Robot is doing surgery, replacement of knee, open heart surgery, then dental surgery. These are the different surgeries robots are doing. One types of robots. Robots can be classified into many categories. First one is the industrial robot. So industrial robot is that robot which is used to handle material in case of line. It can be used for welding purpose. It can be used for inspection purpose. Industrial robots can be used to improve the productivity or laboratory application. In this picture, many robots are used. You can see here yellow colored part as are the robots. The robots can do spot welding, arc welding or assembly work. So many robots are used here. So in automobile, thousands of spot welds are required, and the robot can do within a minute. Second picture shows that there is a line where the robot is doing inspection accurately, and that robot can used for inspection purpose. Second type of robot is mobile robot. As the name indicates, mobile robot can move from one place to another place. So mobile robots that move around on legs, tracks or wheels. One robot is shown here which is provided with wheel, and manipulator is provided to some hold the object. As India has recently launched Chandrayaan 3, and we are proud to say here that we have successfully conducted experiments with the help of that Pragyan rover. Pragyan rover is one of the mobile rover, that is it's a six-wheeled robots, and it has done varieties of tasks. One more example which is shown here: in 1979 a nuclear accident in USA caused a leak of radioactive material which led to production of special robots. which can handle the radioactive material. Robot, it is one of the advantage of robots. We will discuss it later on. So next type of robot is service robots. As robots can be used for varieties of applications. So one of the application is educational robots. Some robotic kits are extensively used in education purpose. Some robo labs, Lego, RoboCup Soccer, etc. Such kits are available with educational institutes. Domestic robots we can use for household tasks or modern toys. For household tasks, one of the in the picture which is shown here, that a robot is cooking, right? So for that purpose also we are using robots. Robots can be used for the modern toys, for singing song, for musical instruments, dancing, talking, walking, mimicry, etc. Robot components, this part is very important. If you observe any robots, these components must present at appropriate place. These are the different robot components. So the red colored part is the robots, different links are there. This robot is provided with different sensors. One force sensor which is shown there, because this robot is going to grip an object, and that object, when that robot will pick, so somewhere it will place. So for pick and place operation, this robot can be used. Second important component which is shown there, that is vision system. It is provided with camera, and that camera is connected with robot control. Not only that vision system, but also we provide some light system also. That light system has also direct contact with robot controller. Next important component which is shown in this picture is teach pendant. So for lead through programming, we use a teach pendant. With the help of teach pendant, we teach that robot where to move. Okay, with the help of plus x, plus y minus y, or plus z minus z. And all these are controlled with the help of robotic control, which is the electronic part. And there is a two-way communication between personal computer and robot controller. For if we have computer programming, then there is no need to use teach pendant. By providing that robot programming, the robot can do its assigned work. Robot components, as we have discussed. So the first component is the manipulator or rover. Manipulator of a robot is one of the main body of the robot. It consists of links, joints, other structural elements, etc. This is important component from where we obtain work. Second important component is the end effector. End effector is nothing but it is the part which is connected to the last joint, that is hand of the robot. In other words, we can say that hand of the robot is the end effector. Third important component is the actuator. Actuator means these are the muscles of manipulator, which includes servo motor, stepper motor, pneumatic and hydraulic cylinder. Most of the time we prefer electric motor. We can use pneumatic as well as hydraulic cylinder also for the actuation purpose. Fourth important component of the robot is sensors. Sensors are nothing but transducers which converts one form of signal into other form of signal, and which helps to collect information about the internal state of the robot or to communicate with outside environment. Without sensor, the robot is nothing but a mechanical element only. By providing sensor, different types of sensors like a temperature sensor, pressure sensor, then position sensor, etc., we can get different information about environment or with robot. So that's why sensor plays very important role in the robotics. So next component is the controller. Controller is very similar to the cerebellum of brain. So every human being have cerebellum, that is brain. Cerebellum is the part of brain which takes the decision. So very similar to that, controller controls the robot and coordinates the motion of the actuator. Sixth important component is the processor. The brain of the robot is nothing but processor. It calculates the motion and the velocity of the robot's joint. If a robot is assigned to do particular task, then that processor decides at how much velocity that robot motion should be there or the robot joint should be there. And last component is the software. Here it includes operating system, robot software, and the collection of routines, etc. So in this video lecture we'll stop here. We'll continue with next part of robot basics in the next lecture. Thank you very much.